niga tokonyora nga obochenu na kurinde bintu bito itanaine negento obwenete kurinda aye asura tukoria rero aba kyombe kiabasae abake bari cyskuru gosege korokunga ambassadors bekanisa ya Adventist ya Millennium yuri tukoria rero bakora obochenu ase okwobusa omuchi obusongo abwase baboririe nyagitari so nyagitari kurigireria ase tinyagitari chigutuguta chiubi cyabo osese bosambera chiubi cyabo musakito Dipon Asanya nigarenge asensemeyo nabanabo na kurigireria elimo asedinde na gutwarigereria roboti origa.
We are cognizant of the environment as young people, and we are also aware of the global issue of climate change.
Ekyombe kiaba ambassadors kurwase kanisa ya Millennium ya Adventist meye county ya Kisii. Itukulia lero nigebeso kya nagochena orochoro nene rutukeme yomo chiobo songo chinsemo cha masosa. Unenchira jamo yokolenda ebintu bilibito etanaine.
My name is Gloria Masita. I am an ambassador from Millennium SDA Church, and we've decided to do this project so that we can create a conducive environment for the people living around here.
We have a long-term plan of adopting this small river. This river begins from Stechmiwa all the way to Darajambili. So as a church and as a group of young people, we have a long-term plan of adopting this river so that we keep on monitoring the way it is being, observed in terms of sanitation and health.
Ekotwa mwetera ronga tokore gasiga ya outreach na bana baiga ekyagara na libono to bobwata during the holiday. Na ende ekarutware konya kubanga in our work plan we planned about the outreach ekaraba urochenga environment yaito yabe irembe ya tiringiru ne chindo chetetega nonye obochafu obonge no boko bekubwagenda guchya
gosangana barwe nigo bairanga kali etugoyoka ekonyoro mochando kurinde nonya mwanya bantu nigo bakomerana na maruire asobotumeki bwa machatali amaya.
We'll take care of the rivers that we have, because dumping waste into the rivers, it doesn't only affect the animals living in the rivers, but it also affects us in general. And this project is just to create a conducive environment and also to create awareness to the people living around here that we should care for the rivers around here.
Ensemuna yue ekyombekyo bono nigo kegendererete gotarira abantu wika asebinyoro.
We also do outreach ministries where we get to reach out to people who are in need. Yeah, so we can walk to people's houses and preach to them also, and also help them where we see there's need.
Umurubiri yoiga bakurwa wa nagati yababwatani kurwase ekyombekyo musarabu mubaliri meye county ya Kisii. Nikobona babolire ewizara yobochenu kurigereria ebifa byanyagitari ebyo byakolire gukora emirimo kubekwa asaga yakorindetaria sogotugutwa anenase chindoche.
I would like to urge the Department of Ministry of Health in our county to make sure to have a better place for disposal of these syringes. These things should not come from hospital. It should be taken at hospital. When a patient discharged from hospital, these things will be delivered not to community.
This region here, we have so many health workers, including clinicians, including laboratory assistants, and many more others. It is our advice that they should have proper systems of disposing such important medical wastes. They should not be found themselves as well dumped in this area.
Ekarabako bitume kabamanyanga ibako bitugutagochya tebako bibeka andonsi asabantu bagweta bose ase dumping site buna bono gandoche amacha yango tumikara abantu bande ngo sibe bali cyanga roche gaiga abantu bande ngo etabare nonyana abana bayitabe bigoriye bike konyorora abane bagoswa roche maiga karaki abana paka maiga ngo swa barenge ba kontimbororo bono nyore baumire kisindani bunechi abakonyora abana baumire.
Abantu bono nigo baboliwe kurenda ebintu biri bito etanaine asenchira yamo yo wetangamo namaruire chingaki baikirania omurobiri obugosimeka emete asochinsemechyo.
The people around here so that they do not dump their wastes in water. so that they find proper ways of disposing their wastes. And also, if we have very low sewage systems that are not properly working, we can have them uplifted, we can have them repaired, so that we can be able to have proper systems of channeling their sewage from their home states into the right place of dumping.
We should have a lot of partnership, and our people should be cooperative. Know that having a good environment is even entitled in our constitution, that having a good environment is your right.
Kuripotire kitaseni kia Obwanchite kia Getembe Kuroigase kaunti ya Kisii ilitiria na inkuru kwa Dipon Asanya.